everyone. So in here I want to give some tutorial on how to using QGIS Track Changes plugin in QGIS. So basically if you already install successfully the plugin, you will see three different icons in here. You can see in here we have about, we have a default tracking, and then we have a GeoPackage tracking in here. So in here I want to demonstrate how to use GeoPackage tracking and then see the tracking log of our data modifications. So in here, if you already installed successfully, you will see that we have three different icons as well in here. So we start with GeoPackage tracking in here. Okay, and then if you click this GeoPackage icon, you will see in the right bottom in here, you will see a new panel in here, GeoPackage Tracking Changes. And then you can input your GeoPackage file in here, and then we have like a list of GeoPackage layer in here. And then there are three different buttons in here. They are activate, deactivate, and refresh layers. Okay, I add the GeoPackage file in here. I want to add new vector data in here. And then I have two GeoPackage file in here. There are test and hello in here. Let's import this. Yeah, and add. Okay, I have three vector file in here. Okay. And then this is my file. There are line, polygon, and points for the test GeoPackage, and then only one layers in hello GeoPackage in here. So basically, we can start the track change if you already import the data into QGIS layer panel in here. So we start our process. We start with the test GeoPackage in here, and then we open this. And then after we open here, the refresh layer is active in here, but the activate and deactivate is still inactive because I don't pick any file that need to be started for the tracking change. But you can see in here, there are three tracked layers. There are point, line, and polygon because inside my GeoPackage file, there are three features. But maybe if you have a lot of features, then the list in here will be more than that. So yeah, so we initialize this tracking change. So I pick point in here, and then the activate button is active in here, and then the point is highlighted in here. So if I pick polygon, it will highlight the polygons. If I highlight the line, will be the line. Yeah, so basically if you pick the file based on this GeoPackage, it will be highlighted. But if I click hello in here, then I cannot activate that because hello is outside this test GeoPackage. That's why it's not appear in here, and then we cannot activate that. So this is like the feature only to filter the GeoPackage file that's inside the GeoPackage that you want to track that. So we start with point in here. Okay, now we can activate this. Let's activate. Yes, in here we have a message that the track change is active. Okay, so every button is disabled except for deactivate. So if we want to deactivate that, so we start to digitize a little bit in here. I want to activate the toggle editing in here, and then let's try to make a new point. Let's say I will make a point in here. So I will input some name in here. Let's say the name is Sumba because that's Sumba Islands. 2, and then a random number in here. Okay, and then we click OK. Okay, we add new data in here, and let's see what will happen in the track change. So you can check in this button, click this about button, and then open the change history in here, and then you can open this browse which layer that needs to be see for the tracking change. So let's say we will use test GeoPackage in here, and then open it. Okay, so you will see a lot of list of data in here because I already test that previously. It's a day ago, and then if you scroll a little bit in here, you can see that 28 seconds ago, me, the author is me, add new features. The feature ID is -9, which is -9 is like temporary features in the QGIS. And then we have like the detail, like FID in the name of the island is Sumba. So this is how it's work basically. So yeah, like this. So if I save this, if I save the layers, and then we check again the change history in here, and then we check again the test GeoPackage. scroll a little bit in here. 8 seconds ago, I delete the temporary layers, which is -9 is a temporary layer, and then add new features, the actual features, that's FID10, and the name is Sumba. So this is how it's work about this plugin. So let's say if you make some change in here. Let's open the attribute table in here. And then we move a little bit this point. We made some geometry change in here. Yeah, we move the point in these islands. And then we select this, and then we rename the name. Let's say it's Flores. Okay, and then we save it. And let's see what will happen in the track change. In here, we open the browse, open the test GeoPackage in here. And then we scroll a little bit in here, 9 seconds ago, that's me. I select the layers, and then I change the attributes. The name is become Flores in here. And then I also change the geometry as well. We have a new geometry in here. So we have 3 new actions, this for the change. Geometry change, selecting feature, and then change the attribute. And then these 2 log in here, it's like committing the geometry change. In the future, if you commit any change, it will increase your versions, but versioning is not a feature for right now, but it will be in the future. So this, we commit a new geometry change, and then we commit new attributes in here, which is nice. We already track every changes in here. The version is still 0.0.0 because I don't implement the versioning yet, but maybe this will be a future version features. So yeah, basically we can track everything. So let's say if you edit the geometry, add new data, or change the attribute data, delete some column, add new column, and so on and so forth, then you can track every change of it. So this is how QGIS Track Changes work. And maybe in the future I will add new functionality in here. Maybe I will add some charts for easy to read about the change history, and then like the comparisons between files. So yeah, I think that will be the future features of this plugin. Yeah, so basically if you already finished with your editing, you can deactivate this, and then you will have a pop-up like this, like, do you want to save the change? I will save the change. Yeah, and then you can activate it again. So let's say if you want to change the data that needs to be tracked. So let's say I want to change to hello.geopackage. And then we will have a new list in here, which is a hello, this is a point. And then if I click the line, point, polygon, activate is not working because this GeoPackage file is not related to these layers. But if I click hello and then activate is active, and then the hello will be highlighted. So this is the features. Okay, so thank you.